タレが肉全体に絡まるようにして完成。
Today we'll be making ginger pork. It's a simple and delicious dish that's perfect for any meal of the day. To start off, we'll need some boneless pork butt or shoulder, ginger sauce, store-bought or homemade, and green cabbage. I'm going to start by cutting the pork in half, as I don't need the whole thing for today's recipe. Next, I'll thinly slice the pork to about 4 millimeters. You can always cut it thicker, it'll just take longer to cook. Now we'll place the pork into a bowl and cover it with the ginger sauce. Make sure to cover all the meat in the sauce when mixing. I'm going to set this aside and let it marinate for about 15 to 30 minutes. While we wait for the meat to soak up those amazing flavors, we can prepare the cabbage. Start by cutting the cabbage in half and removing the core. After that, slice it as thinly as possible. Any leftover cabbage can be stored in a container with water for another meal. Take a pan and heat it over medium. Now that the pan is up to temperature, add in the marinated pork and sear on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, depending on the thickness. I want to try and get some charring on the meat if possible. Add in some of the marinade to the pan and reduce the heat. Cook for about another minute. Looks like it's done cooking. Time to plate it up and taste it. It's got a very rich flavor. The ginger is bold and the sweetness of the mirin mixed with the saltiness of the soy sauce is delicious. Thanks for watching. If you had as much fun watching this video as I had making it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tasty content. If you're hungry for more delicious recipes, check out my other videos, and if you have any suggestions for future recipes, leave them in the comments below. Before I go, I'll leave you with a food joke to keep you smiling until the next video. What do you call a fake noodle? An impasta. Anyways, thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.